Athena, you know, you really shouldn't. Here. It's been a while since I did one of these video logs. Right, Athena? So, she chipped her beak the other day. She thought she could fly. And the reason she can't fly is a combination of the fact that she picks at her feathers and thus can't get proper lift, and the fact that she doesn't want to flap her wings whenever I have her on my hand and trying to, make her flap. And so we were doing that, and come on, not gonna flap. See, I'm holding onto her feet right now. So she decided that she was gonna try to fly off, immediately thudded to the ground, and chipped the tip of her beak. And so, yeah, we had to go, and it got dremeled, and that was interesting. But the vet said there's no further cracking or anything like that, and then I just need to, touch it up with an emery board. I'm gonna be honest, though. My heart's just not in the video. I pulled this out, and then I, immediately regretted it, and I'll tell you why. I'm so tired lately. I'm so just incredibly tired that it's bothersome. Because, a combination of a new CPAP machine making me break out. Seriously, I have a rash everywhere that it touches. And, I just haven't felt motivated to do much of anything lately. And there you go. Go back to your cage. Go back. Good girl. Good girl. And look at this. Oh, cornstarch all over the chair. Oh yeah, see here, you can see all the red. That's from the CPAP mask. It's supposed to help me sleep, mind you. No, it's making me break out. I think I know the big thing that's making me don't want to do anything. Big empty cage. Just... part of me is just well, what's the point? I get up, I eat, I take care of Athena. Athena should be the point here, right? If nothing else. Right, girl? I love you. I love you, girl. That's right. I love you, my baby girl. Hey, you want your stick? Out of all the toys that she has, the stick that holds her cage closed is her favorite toy. Yeah, hey. And remember, she, okay, fine. She's had a larger cage in the past, does not like it. That's why she has the small one. I'm still going to try to find larger ones for her. But yeah. Bird. How you doing? Aww. See, right now I'm just looking at her having fun. I'm getting all weepy. Yesterday I started crying at the vet's office a few times. Yeah, girl? She's always so nice. She always gives me a little kiss. And I guess I said everything I need to say, right? Right, girl? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to everyone? She doesn't care. I do, though. I care about you, baby. I care about you so much. There's a robin that's been trying to knock on the window here. I went over actually to see what would happen if I opened the door, but it flew off when it heard me coming. Still, wouldn't that be hilarious if a robin got in the house? Right, baby? I'd have to use that net that Lawrence was always so afraid of. Remembering the funny times, right?